All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is fourth grade Excel lesson 113. We're going to look at filling in missing numbers in a sequence when the sequence isn't the same number over and over again. When the pattern is not just adding 3 every time or adding 5 every time or subtracting 7 every time. It's going to be mixed up a little bit. You'll see how it works here in just 1 second. So here we go. Up to this point, the difference in the missing number series have been the same. Sometimes, though, the difference can be a pattern of its own. Like, look at this one. From 48 to 47, we're subtracting 1, right? 48 minus 1 is 47. From 47 to 45, we take off 2. From 45 to 42, we're taking off 3. 45, 44, 43, 42. It goes down 3. From 42 to 38, it goes down 4. So this has a pattern all by itself. So the next jump is going to be taking off 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 38 minus 5 is 33. Let's try this next one together. From 47, you have to write the pattern down below here, is 3, right? From 7 to 13, how many is that? That's 6. Go ahead and write that on your paper. From 13 to 22, well, 13 to 23 is 10. So 13 to 22 is 9. Are you seeing the pattern that's developing here? 22 to 34, well, that's 12. 22 plus 10 is 32, plus 2 more is 34. So the pattern goes 3, 6, 9, 12. And what's the next jump going to be? Can you beat me? 15, right? It's going to go up 15. So then what we can do is, if you can't do it in your head, you can just write it on the side here. I can do that in my head. Some of you can, right? 49 would be the next number. This is the number that goes in the check answer, by the way. Okay, pause the video, do number 2, and then turn it back on. 79 to 77, that's going down 2. 77 to 73 is going down 4. This is going down 6. Down 8. You should have already figured all this out, which means the next one has got to go down 10. 10 down from 59 is 49. Make sure you showed your work like this on your paper there. All right. I think you might have a good idea on how to do these. Why don't you pause the video and do all the rest of them and then turn the video back on. Do 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you should have done all these problems to the best of your ability. We'll go over it right now. Here we go. Pay attention. 38 to 43. How many is that? Well, we're adding 5. 43 to 48. We're adding 5. Oh, this is not one of those different kinds. Adding 5. So let's add 5 here, and that becomes 58. Woohoo! Okay. 94 to 88. Now, if this is too tricky for you, what you can do is you can write the number underneath here and subtract. I can do it in my head, though. So that is minus 6. 88 to 82. Oh, that's minus 6. 82 to 76. That's minus 6. That's minus 6. This is not one of the new kinds. Don't get tricked. They're going to mix them up to keep you on your toes. So 6 off of 70 is 64. Did you get that right? Erase and fix it if you didn't. Okay, from 8 to 18 is 10, right? 18 to 33. 18 to 28 is 10. 28 to 33 is 5 more, so that's a pattern of 15, a jump of 15. 33 to 53, that's a jump of 20. So here's the pattern, 10, 15, 20. Next jump is going to be a jump of 25. How do I add 25 to 53? I add 3 and 5. I get 8. And 5 and 2 and get 7. 78. Fix your paper if you have it wrong. And then this last one here from 2 to 3 is 1. 3 to 5 is 2. 5 to 8 is 3. 8 to 12 is 4. So the next number's got to be 5, which is 17. And this has got to be 6, which is 23. There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys